Hey everyone, I'll get straight to the point. You need to watch this if you struggle with saving money and are looking for a way to save money and earn money too. Are you tired of complicated money-making schemes that never seem to work? You're not alone. So many people are stuck chasing programs that promise the world but deliver confusion and disappointment. What if there was a simpler way? A way to actually save money on things you already buy, while also earning weekly income just by sharing the concept with others. Do you want a simple, straightforward way to save and earn money without the hassle? Save Club is your path to financial freedom. They make it easy to keep more money in your pocket and grow your savings. Save Club also helps you earn right from home, giving you the flexibility you need. Imagine a life with less financial stress and more peace of mind. Picture yourself reaching your financial goals faster and with ease. That's the power of Save Club. It's more than just a tool. It's a lifestyle. We provide the tools and resources you need for financial success. Save Club is more than just a discount program. It's a comprehensive financial solution. It's a community of like-minded individuals supporting each other. We are all on a journey to financial wellness, and together we can achieve it. Let Save Club be your trusted partner in achieving your dreams and securing your future. Join us today at saveandearnclub.com and start your journey to financial freedom. Save Club opens a world of possibilities. It offers incredible benefits for everyone. The platform is designed with you in mind. Enjoy amazing discounts at national retailers. Shop for groceries, clothing, electronics, and more. The affiliate dashboard gives you the power to earn. Share your unique referral link with others. Save Club makes saving and earning effortless. We believe everyone should have access to financial freedom. Our platform empowers you to take control of your money. Saving money has never been easier. Save Club partners with major brands across the country. Get exclusive deals on everyday purchases. Our discounts cover a wide range of categories. Find deals on groceries, dining, travel, entertainment, and more. Imagine saving money on things you already buy. Save Club makes it possible. Join Save Club today and unlock a world of savings. Start stretching your budget further than ever before. Experience the joy of saving with Save Club. The power of sharing affiliate program. Want to earn extra income from home? Save Club's affiliate program is your answer. Share your unique referral link and get rewarded. When someone joins Save Club through your link, you earn commissions. Build a team of affiliates and watch your earnings grow. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Save Club makes it easy to share and earn. Our affiliate program is designed for success. Turn your network into a source of passive income. Earning made easy for everyone. Save Club is perfect for everyone, from busy parents to retirees. Whether you're juggling work and family or enjoying your golden years, Save Club fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Are you a stay-at-home parent looking for extra income? Save Club provides a convenient way to earn without compromising your time with family. Save Club gives you the flexibility to earn on your own time. Work from anywhere, whether it's your living room or a cozy cafe. Retirees can supplement their income and enjoy life to the fullest. Spend more time on hobbies and less time worrying about finances. Side hustlers can easily add another stream of revenue. Turn your dreams into reality with Save Club. Network marketers can leverage Save Club's platform for growth. Expand your reach and connect with like-minded professionals. No matter your background, Save Club offers an opportunity for financial freedom. Achieve your goals and celebrate your successes with a supportive community. Join our community and start building the life you deserve. Together, we can make earning easy and enjoyable for everyone. This is important. We believe in helping people save and earn with affordability, ensuring you know exactly what you're paying for. Save Club has a low monthly fee of $19.97 that unlocks all the benefits, making it easy for you to save more, and a one-time $60 affiliate fee total under $80 to start a global business. No hidden costs, just incredible value. You get what you see, with no surprises. For those who want to maximize their earnings, there's a one-time affiliate fee that opens up new opportunities. This gives you access to our powerful affiliate program designed to help you grow. Start building your team and earn residual income, creating a steady stream of revenue. Save Club's pricing is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial situation. We believe everyone should have the opportunity to save and earn, making financial freedom a reality. Join today and experience the Save Club difference, where transparency meets value. Join Save Club and transform your finances. Save Club is more than just a platform. It's a movement. We are committed to empowering individuals and families to achieve financial wellness. Take control of your finances and start living life on your terms. Join Save Club today and unlock a world of savings, earnings, and opportunities. Don't wait another day to start building the future you deserve. Sign up for Save Club at saveandearnclub.com and begin your journey to financial freedom today.